Hi, welcome back to Nikki's Cookbook. Today we are going to see how to make crispy chicken burger McDonald's style at home. So for marinating the chicken, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this well. I've taken boneless chicken breast today. I've pounded it nicely with a hammer so that the chicken gets more tender. Now I'm adding the chicken to the olive oil mix. Give it a good mix, as in the oil, pepper, salt get immersed nicely with the chicken, and let's marinate this chicken in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, we have the chicken. Here I have maida mixed with salt, 1 egg beaten in a separate plate, and panko breadcrumbs in a separate plate. You can also take a regular breadcrumb. So I have taken a piece of chicken which is nicely marinated. Coat it well with the dry maida salt mix. As the maida and salt gets nicely coated on the chicken, next we are going to give a egg wash, which I'm adding the maida coated chicken in the egg and coating it nicely with the beaten egg mix. Once the chicken gets completely wet with the egg, I'm going to coat this with breadcrumbs, nicely coated, so that the chicken should not stick onto your hand. So we coated this well with the breadcrumbs, and now I have kept it in a plate to rest for 10 minutes. Similarly, we did all the chicken slices. Heat up the oil nicely for deep frying. Now we are going to add 2 pieces at a time and fry this chicken until golden brown. Turn it on both the sides so that the chicken gets evenly cooked on both the sides and gets evenly browned on both the sides. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to make the burger. The chicken is so crispy and tender. So for the burger, I have taken the store-bought burger bun and I've cut it into half equal slice. In the base of the bun, I'm applying tomato ketchup, 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, and on the top of the bun I'm applying mayonnaise, which I have mixed some mustard powder to it, which will give you a nice pungent flavor. I'm adding the crispy fried chicken on top of the ketchup layer, and on top of the chicken I'm arranging few leaves of lettuce iceberg. Now let's cover the mayo spread bun top over the lettuce layer, and here you go, your crispy chicken burger McDonald's style McChicken burger is ready to be had. Oh, this chicken burger is super crunchy and very tasty. You should try this at home, and please share me your likes and comments. Subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon in the bottom of my video for daily notifications. Thank you.